In this ukulele tutorial, we're going to go over a Robert Johnson blues ukulele lesson. And this is going to be great as a turnaround or an intro or even as an outro. And also don't forget, stay around to the very end of the video because I'm going to give you a special bonus that's going to help you play this. Hi, I'm Terry. Welcome to Ukulele to Pros. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel and then hit that bell notification. That way you stay up to date with all the lessons and tutorials and the reviews that I do right here on my channel. So Robert Johnson was one of the early great Mississippi blues guitar players, slide guitar players, singers, and songwriters. Everything he did was classic. Classic songs have been covered by tons of different bands and artists. If you're not familiar with his music, go check it out right now. I mean, start with something just like Crossroad Blues. It's a great song. And so this turnaround, or like I said, or it could be used as outro or even an intro as well. It's going to be in the key of F. And even if you never use it for a song and you just learn how to play it, that's going to be pretty cool because, like I said, people are going to really dig this and want to learn exactly what you're doing. All right? It's going to sound like this. So that, I mean, just that right there is pretty cool. And it's finger style. So we're going to be using some different finger style techniques for this one. And by the way, I have a high G on this one. And the reason why I chose a high G is I think it sounds a little bit more authentic, but a low G totally works as well. So, all right, so let me play just the first measure for you. Actually, the pickup in the first measure, and then I'll show you what I'm doing. All right, so it's going to start here with the pinky on the 8th fret, 1st string. And as I said, this is a pickup, so you're going to start on beat 4. So when I count you in, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to hit it twice. As a matter of fact, for the majority of this, your pinky is just going to stay right here on the 1st string, 8th fret. Then on beat 1 of the next measure, we're going to do a pinch. And all I'm doing is adding my 3rd finger here to the 4th string, 8th fret. And I'm going to pinch. My thumb is going to be on the 4th string. And I'm going to use my middle finger here on the 1st string. And I'm going to literally pinch up. If you want to use your 1st finger, that's totally fine. I'm going to use my middle finger. I'm going to pinch. And then I'm going to hit the 1st string again. So pinch, 1st string again. And you're going to do this twice here on this 8-8. So it's... All right, so let's just do that. The pickup and just those few notes. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to take and add my middle finger here on the 4th string, 7th fret. I'm going to do the same thing, the pinch, 1st string, pinch, 1st string. Then I'm going to add my 1st finger to the 6th fret of the 4th string, do the same thing, pinch, 1st string, pinch, 1st string. And then I'm going to slide my 1st finger down to 5 and do the same thing. All right, so that's like the first third of the piece. All right, so here we go from the top with the pickup. Ready and. Now the second half starts like this. Notice it's very similar, but it's just not quite as long. So we go back to 8-8 here, and we'll do the same thing. So 2 times, but now the rest of them just get played once. So when I go to 7 here, I'm just going to do it once. So pinch, 1st string. Then when I go to 6 here, I'm going to do it once. And then 5, I'm just going to hit it once, and that's it. So just a pinch, okay? Again, that 5 and 8 here is just a pinch the second time, okay? So just the second part is. Then we're going to have some chords. It's going to sound like this. And then a little tremolo. All right, so let's go to the chords here. This 5 and 8, by the way, that's on beat 1. So it's 1. And then you're going to go to a C7 chord here. And I'm using my 2nd finger here on the 4th string, 3rd fret, and then my 3rd finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and then open, 3rd, open, 2nd. And I'm going to do 2 down strums with it, and that's beat 2. So it's 2 and hold it out for beat 3, 3, and then I'm going to go to this. Okay, so again, C7, and then I'm going to jump up to this chord. This is an E7 chord, and all I'm doing is I'm barring all 4 strings at the 4th fret, and then I'm using my 3rd finger on the 1st string 5th fret. And the reason why I'm going to use my 3rd finger is because here on the C7, I'm playing it, and then I'm just going to slide it up and then add the bar. So E7, I'm going to use a downstroke there, and this is beat 4, by the way, and then I'm going to slide this shape up 1 fret, so now I'm barring at the 5th fret, and my 3rd finger's on the 1st string 6th fret, and I'm going to do that once. And that's the F7 chord, and that's the and of 4. So the last 2 chords are 4 and, both downstrokes. And then whenever you want, I was just doing a little tremolo, which you don't have to do, but it's just kind of cool, especially if it's the end of a song. All right, so let's play that second half of it. So starting on this 8/8, ready and. All right, so let's go ahead now. Let's do the entire thing. Remember, we start with a pickup on beat 4. So 1, 2, 3. So as I mentioned, this is something that when people hear it, it's so unlike the Hawaiian style of ukulele, and it's really more like that American Mississippi blues, you know. So it's just really cool. People are gonna dig it. So I want to do it again though. Let's just do it a little faster. Okay. So right from the top, remember we're starting on beat 4. 1, 2, 3. There's your Robert Johnson style blues turnaround in the key of F. Just something that you really want to get down, because it is going to be impressive when you play this for people. They're going to want to learn exactly what you're doing. Now, I mentioned a special bonus. So if you want the tab for this one, because I know this can be hard to follow sometimes on video, I'm going to put a link below. You can go and sign up and get the tab for this one for free, and that will help you just kind of get it down a little bit better and yeah, improve your playing. So thanks for being here, and we'll see you next time.